Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and welcome to another NFT video. We got an exciting one today on how you can promote your project using this fantastic site. But before we do get into that, if you could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean a ton as I'm trying to hit my end goal of 100,000 subscribers. So if you like NFT related content, you'll be sure to enjoy this channel. So make sure you do hit that sub button. With that out of the way, let's get right into this video where we talk about NFT Addict, a fantastic site where you can showcase your very own NFT project. Essentially, the whole idea of NFT Addict is to promote your NFT project using a website that is used by many people within the NFT space. If your project gets featured on the site, it will be put in front of many eyes, and it's always good to get as many people viewing your collection. There's lots of new features, and the site is constantly updating, so there's always going to be more stuff to be added. The website's already featured some really big projects like Invisible Friends, Hype Bears, and the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and they're constantly featuring even more like the Hype Bears and some other good stuff. You can actually vote on these collections and which one you're looking forward to the most by going to their voting section on the main page of their website and clicking on Start Voting. They actually have a $1,000 giveaway going on right now if you do click that voting option, where you can just choose the name of any NFT project you are voting for and then putting your Twitter handle in this box right here, and hey, you could win $1,000. It's literally that easy. Also, make sure you're following the NFT Addict's official Twitter page to be entered into that giveaway. A really cool feature that's coming soon to this website is the KYC Verification. Essentially, the whole idea is if you get your project KYC'd, it becomes more trustable in the NFT space. Now, if you want to actually list your own project, you can do this by clicking the List a Project button in the top right corner. In here, you'll need to fill in some information like the name of your collection, the Discord invite link to your project's Discord, your Twitter link, your website link, the day that you're going to be launching your project, and a URL showing your NFT. I would suggest uploading like an Imagear link or maybe a Google Drive link probably works as well. And bam, you can submit for it. And if your project goes through, they will post your collection on their website and you will hopefully gain some traction to it. So yeah, huge shout out to NFT Addict for sponsoring this video. I do highly suggest you go and check out their website because hey, it's free and you might as well list your project because why not? There's no cost out of your pocket and it just benefits your collection. I think that's gonna do it for me though. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel, as I'll always keep you in the loop for NFT related content. With that being said, peace. See ya later.
Thank you for watching the video.